Namaste. Our today's topic is trigonometry. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that studies the relationship between the sides and the angles of a triangle. So we start with trigonometric ratios of a triangle. These are the ratios of the sides of a right triangle with respect to its acute angles. Consider a right triangle ABC, right angled at B. First, we name the sides of the triangle before defining these. This we know that the side opposite to the right angle is called the hypotenuse. The naming of the rest two sides depends on the angle with which we are working. We have two angles, angle A and angle C. I am defining the trigonometric ratios for angle A. Similarly, you can do for angle C also. So, I am naming the sides for angle A only. AB, as we can see that it is a part of angle A. So, AB is called the side adjacent to angle A, and BC, which faces angle A, is called the side opposite to angle A. So we give shorter terms for these. The side adjacent to angle A is called the base for angle A, and the side opposite to angle A is called the perpendicular for angle A. So if I show this using figures, when we work with angle A, this is always hypotenuse. For angle A, this is base and this is perpendicular. And if we show this for angle C, this is hypotenuse, this will be base and this will be perpendicular. Okay, so now we define the trigonometric ratios. First ratio is sine of angle A. Sine of angle A is defined as P upon H, which will be P is BC and hypotenuse is AC. Then next is cos A, which is B upon H, and this is AB upon AC. The third ratio is tan A. This will be perpendicular upon base, and therefore this will be BC upon AB. Okay, giving these terms perpendicular, hypotenuse and base, this is also easy to learn. How we can learn these? Sine, cos and tan. This is PBP and HHB. PBP, HHB. These are just the three ratios. In total we have 6 ratios. The other 3 are just the reciprocals of these 3 ratios. So those are also easy to learn. Cosecant A is the reciprocal of sine A, which will be hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Next is secant A. Secant A is the reciprocal of cos A, which will be hypotenuse upon base. And the last ratio is cot A, which is the reciprocal of tan A. So this will be base upon perpendicular. Okay, how do we use these in problem solving? I'll show you using an example. Suppose we are given a triangle ABC, this and this is 13, this is 5 centimeter, and we need to find tan C. So tan C we know is perpendicular by base, and perpendicular for angle C is this AB, and base for angle C is BC. So now we know the measure of the side BC, but we do not know the measure of the side AB. So AB can be found using Pythagoras theorem. We know Pythagoras theorem is the relationship between the sides of a right triangle. So using that we find AB as 12 centimeter, and therefore tan C will be 12 upon 5. So this is how it works, and I hope this is clear. So thank you.